At Wabtec, we have learned a lot since 2017 when we have printed our first parts. And now it's really amazing the change that the technology has made. This is really interesting to see how accurate the process is, the repeatability we have on this process. This is why we are really trusting this kind of technology developed by Nikon SLM. The key added value from my point of view with Nikon SLM is the support they are bringing, the reactivity they have in services. When we have issue on the machine, they are here in 48 hours to solve the problems. We have a continuous support and a regular meeting with them just to follow us on our printing process. We really see each other as partner on this process, and they are really helping us do not have any problem in the utilization of the machine.
Our service contract with Nikon SLM allows us to sleep tight at night. What we value is the availability of the service technicians with whom we developed a special relationship in order to develop other parameters and find solutions. I feel that the Nikon SLM service is a huge contributor to our success and ensures that we deliver fast and reliable solutions to our clients.